प्रायोजक आहेत अभिनव पब्लिक स्कूल अँड ज्युनियर कॉलेज वाशिंबे। इयत्ता नर्सरी ते 12वी मराठी इंग्रजी व सेमी इंग्रजीची सोय, 11वी 12वी सायन्स आर्ट्स कॉमर्सची सुविधा, बाहेरगावच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना हॉस्टेलची सुविधा, स्कॉलरशिप, ऑलिम्पियाडसह अनेक स्पर्धा परीक्षांची तयारी एकाच ठिकाणी। संपर्कासाठी पत्ता अभिनव पब्लिक स्कूल अँड ज्युनियर कॉलेज वाशिंबे, तालुका करमाळा, जिल्हा सोलापूर। मोबाईल क्रमांक 9421 78 38 93, मोबाईल क्रमांक 9421 78 38 93।
गुड मॉर्निंग विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे तुमचे अभिनव स्कूल वाशिंबे या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये। तर आज आपण हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज याविषयी डिस्कस करणार आहोत। तर यामध्ये आपण हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे काय, त्याचे क्लासिफिकेशन, कोणकोणते टाईप्स येतं, त्यामध्ये आपण हायब्रिडायझेशन हा एक पॉईंट डिस्कस करणार आहोत। त्याच्यामध्ये नंतर आपण क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज ह्याचं पण पाहणार आहोत। तर त्यामध्ये काय, द पॅरेंट फॅमिली ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड इज हायड्रोकार्बन। पॅरेंट फॅमिली ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड इज हायड्रोकार्बन्स। हायड्रोकार्बन्स मीन्स प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन and hydrogen in this molecule, presence of carbon and hydrogen molecule. Then the replacement of hydrogen atom, replacement of hydrogen atom in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons by halogen atoms result in formation of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही काय करणार आहेत, एखाद्या कार्बनवरचा अरोमॅटिक चेन असेल और अलिफॅटिक चेन, फॉर एक्झाम्पल अलिफॅटिक चेन CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 and next aromatic hydrocarbons, then aromatic ring containing any group, alkyl group. In this structure the hydrogen atom, removal of hydrogen atom on aliphatic chain, suppose CH3 then CH2 and last CH3, this remove one hydrogen and attach one halogen group, or remove 3 hydrogen atom and attach to add 3 halogen compounds. So the replacement of hydrogen atom in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atoms result in the formation of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Then classification of halogen derivatives, mainly two types of halogen derivatives, or mainly two ways of halogen derivatives. First, on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton. On the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton, again further classified in monoalkane, monohalogen, or haloalkene, haloalkyne and haloarine. Monoalkane, haloalkane, haloalkyne and last haloarine. Then first, haloalkenes means halogen group attached to aliphatic chain. First type, on the basis of carbon skeleton or skeleton of hydrocarbons. First, on the basis of hydrocarbons skeleton, in which haloalkane means carbon single bond, then haloalkene carbon contain carbon double bond, next haloalkyne carbon contain carbon triple bond, and last haloarine aromatic ring containing halogen group. Halogen group means halogen group. Which groups are halogen groups? Chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. It is a halogen group family. For example, haloalkane CH3 CH2 X haloalkane. Then example of haloalkane is CH3 CH double bond CH single bond X. It is a example of haloalkene. Example of haloalkene. Then example of haloalkane is CH3 C triple bond C single bond X. It is an example of haloalkane. And last, haloarine, aromatic ring containing halogen group or halide group. It is called haloarine. It is an example of haloalkane CH3 CH2X. Then haloalkene, carbon carbon double bond, and X is attached to this carbon. And next, haloalkyne. Then haloalkynes, carbon carbon contain triple bond, and halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom which carries carbon carbon triple bond. And last, haloarine in which aromatic ring contain halogen group, and halogen group attached to aryl compound, that is called haloarine. It's called haloarine. And next type is on the basis of number of halogen atom. Halogen derivatives are classified as mono, di and tri or poly halogen compounds. Also on the basis of number of halogen atom attached to carbon, number of halogen atom attached to carbon atom, and then classification mono, di, tri or poly halogen compounds. So next type is on the basis of number of halogen atoms. On the basis of number of halogen atoms, B, this point in which mono, di, tri or polyhalogen compounds. So example of monohalogen compound is say monohalogen compound. First, monohalogen compounds. Mono means one compound containing one halogen group. It is called monohalogen compound. It is aliphatic chain. And next, aromatic compound. First, one halogen atom attached to carbon, and then next aryl ring containing one halogen atom. It is called monohalogen compound. Mono means one, then mono means one, di means two, then tri means three, and poly means more than three. So first is monohalogen compounds. Second, dihalogen compound. Compound containing two halogen atom. Compound containing two halogen atom is called dihalogen compounds. Dihalogen compounds, CH3 CH, and this carbon contain two halogen group. And then next, aromatic compound, aromatic ring containing two halogen atom. These two example of dihalogen compounds. The last, third, trihalogen compounds. Trihalogen compounds in which aliphatic chain or aromatic compound containing three halide group or halogen group. In this type, on the basis of number of halogen atom attached to carbon, and then type mono halogen compound, then dihalogen compound, then trihalogen compound, and then next last is a polyhalogen compound. Halogen compounds means halide compound. Number of halide group attached to carbon atom, and carbon atom containing halogen group, and the type of halogen compounds on the basis of halogen group attached to carbon, number of halogen atom. Then monohalogen compound, one halogen group is attached to aliphatic or aromatic structure. Then dihalogen compound, compound containing two halogen group, aliphatic or aromatic. Then last trihalogen compound, aliphatic or aromatic compound containing three halogen atom. Then we will consider classification of monohalogen derivatives in more details. आपण या चॅप्टरमध्ये मोनोहॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज हे डिस्कस करणार आहोत. तर त्यामध्ये क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मोनोहॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मोनोहॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज. Monohalogen derivatives or monohalogen compound. Monohalogen compounds are classified on the basis of position of halogen atom. Monohalogen compounds are classified on the basis of position of halogen atom and the type of hybridization of carbon atom, which type of hybridization of carbon atom to which halogen is attached. Classification of monohalogen compounds. Monohalogen compounds are classified on the basis of position of halogen atom and the type of hybridization of carbon to which halogen is attached. So first type of halogen compound is alkyl halide or haloalkane. So first type is write down the point. Classification of monohalogen compounds. Classification of monohalogen compounds. So types of monohalogen compound is first type alkyl halide or haloalkane. Alkane means carbon carbon single bond. So first type is alkyl halide. First type alkyl halide or haloalkane. First type is alkyl halide or haloalkane. This type in which alkyl halide or haloalkane, the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is a part of saturated carbon skeleton. In alkyl halide or haloalkane, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is a part of saturated carbon skeleton. So alkyl halide may be primary, secondary and tertiary depending on substitution state of the carbon to which halogen is attached. So the example of primary, secondary and tertiary halide. So primary halide attached to carbon, it is a primary haloalkane. Then next example is secondary haloalkane, and then tertiary haloalkane. last tertiary alkyl halide or haloalkane. This is a 3 example of alkyl halide. This primary, then secondary and last tertiary alkyl halide. Then next type of monohalogen compound is allylic halide. In allylic halide in which the carbon contain double bond and halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon atom next to the carbon double bond. So B type allylic halide in which halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon double bond. So example of allylic halide is CH2 double bond CH, then CH2X. It is a allylic halide. Carbon double bond, then next carbon is a sp3 hybridizer and halogen atom is attached to that carbon which carries sp3 hybridized carbon and double bond is present. Allylic halide, halogen atom attached to carbon contain sp3 hybridizer and next to the carbon double bond and is called allylic halide. It is called allylic halide. It is a aliphatic. Then a cyclic example of allylic halide is here carbon contain double bond and next carbon contain halogen atom. It is also called allylic halide. And then next type of monohalogen compound is benzylic halide. See, benzylic halide, halogen atom attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom and then sp3 hybridized carbon atom further attached to aromatic ring. In benzylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which further bonded to aromatic ring. Aromatic ring ला काय होणार आहे, तो बॉन्ड करणार आहे. तर पहा एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सी benzylic halide. Benzylic halide in which halogen atom attached to sp3 carbon atom and sp3 carbon atom further attached to or bonded to aromatic ring. See here benzylic halide, for example benzylic halide in which a benzene ring is also present. Then halogen atom, this halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon and sp3 hybridized carbon further attached to or bonded to aromatic ring. And second example is aromatic ring attached to carbon and this carbon contain halogen group. See here X means halogen group. Which is halogen group? Chlorine, bromine and iodine and fluorine. It is a halogen family. Aromatic ring containing carbon and carbon containing one alkyl group. So X group it attached to sp3 carbon and sp3 carbon atom further attached to aromatic ring or bonded to aromatic ring. So it is called benzylic halide. The next type of monohalogen compound is vinylic halide. Write down next point. विनायलिक हॅलाइड, डी विनायलिक हॅलाइड, vinylic halide in which carbon contain double bond and halogen atom is directly attached to carbon containing sp2 hybridization. So in vinylic halide, halogen atom bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic chain. Vinylic halide is a haloalkene and also it is called haloalkene, also called that is haloalkene. Halogen group attached to alkene aliphatic chain. So example of vinylic halide is CH2 double bond CH and a single bond X. X means halogen. Halogen group directly attached to this carbon and this carbon contain sp2 hybridization. This carbon contain sp2 hybridization. Here is an example of vinylic halide. And then next example, cyclic example. Here carbon double bond and S group attached to sp2 carbon atom. This is a sp2 carbon and is also sp2 hybridized carbon. Halogen group directly attached to sp2 carbon, and so it is called vinylic halide or also haloalkene. So next point is haloalkyne. In haloalkyne in which carbon triple bond and halogen group is directly attached to sp hybridized carbon atom. For example, E-type monohalogen compounds, E-type haloalkyne, haloalkyne in which carbon double bond are present here. When halogen atom is bonded to a sp hybridized carbon atom, it is a haloalkyne. Example, here halogen atom is directly attached to carbon containing sp hybridization. This carbon contain sp hybridization and also this carbon contain sp hybridization. S and p are orbitals of this carbon compound. So haloalkyne, YNE means carbon triple bond, ENE means carbon double bond, ANE means carbon single bond, YNE carbon triple bond. And next last type of monohalogen compound is aryl halide or haloarine. It is an important point in this chapter. So reaction, last point, aryl halide or haloarine. Aryl halide, aromatic ring containing halogen group, in which halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 carbon atom or aromatic ring. So it is called aryl halide. For example, aromatic ring and directly bonded to halogen atom. All carbon atom in aromatic ring are sp2 hybridized carbon atom. All these carbon atom in aromatic ring contain sp2 hybridization. तर सगळ्या जे कार्बन असणार आहेत aromatic ring मधले जे कार्बन्स असतील ते काय असणार आहेत, सगळे sp2 हायब्रिडाइज असणार आहेत आणि त्याला काय होतोय, हा हॅलोजन ग्रुप जो आहे तो डायरेक्टली अटॅच होतोय. सो इट इज कॉल्ड aryl halide or haloalkene. It is called aryl halide or haloalkene. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आहे नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ज. आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला पाहूया. तर इथंच थांबूया. घरी राहा, सुरक्षित राहा आणि अभिनव स्कूल वाशिंबे या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवरती क्लिक करायला विसरू नका. ओके, थँक्यू ऑल.
प्रायोजक आहेत अभिनव पब्लिक स्कूल अँड ज्युनियर कॉलेज वाशिंबे. इयत्ता नर्सरी ते 12वी मराठी, इंग्रजी व सेमी इंग्रजीची सोय. 11वी 12वी सायन्स, आर्ट्स, कॉमर्सची सुविधा. बाहेरगावच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना हॉस्टेलची सुविधा. स्कॉलरशिप, ऑलिम्पियाडसह अनेक स्पर्धा परीक्षांची तयारी एकाच ठिकाणी. संपर्कासाठी पत्ता अभिनव पब्लिक स्कूल अँड ज्युनियर कॉलेज वाशिंबे, तालुका करमाळा, जिल्हा सोलापूर. मोबाईल क्रमांक 9421 78 38 93. मोबाईल क्रमांक 9421 78 38 93.